What is an eSIM and how does it work on Samsung phones?
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into the world of eSIMs and learn how they work, particularly on Samsung phones. We're living in an era where everything is becoming more digital, more streamlined, and more efficient, and the eSIM is a significant leap in that direction.
What is an eSIM?
An eSIM, or Embedded Subscriber Identity Module, is the next generation of SIM cards. It's an embedded, digital version of the traditional, physical SIM card that we've been using in our phones. The crucial difference is that, unlike a physical SIM card that needs to be inserted into a device, an eSIM is built right into your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch.
How does an eSIM work?
With an eSIM, your information is stored digitally. This allows you to activate a cellular plan without needing a physical SIM. When you want to change your service provider, instead of replacing the physical SIM card, you just need to download a new plan directly to your eSIM through your device's settings.
What are the advantages of an eSIM?
One of the main advantages of an eSIM is the ability to switch carriers remotely. This means you can change your provider or plan without needing to get a new physical SIM. Moreover, it's incredibly useful for travelers as it allows for easier international roaming, enabling users to switch to a local network without changing the physical SIM card.
How does an eSIM work on Samsung phones?
On Samsung phones, the process to set up an eSIM is relatively straightforward. Once your carrier supports eSIM and you have an eSIM-compatible Samsung phone, 1. Go to Settings and then Connections. 2. Select SIM Card Manager. 3. Choose Add Mobile Plan. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to download your eSIM profile. Remember, both your carrier and Samsung device must support eSIM for you to use this feature. That's all for our exploration of eSIMs and how they function on Samsung phones. Embracing the eSIM technology brings flexibility and convenience, making it easier to switch carriers, download new plans, and adjust to international settings. If you've got a compatible Samsung phone and your carrier supports it, why not give eSIM a shot? Stay tuned for more tech updates, and happy exploring!